All right, skip today. It's the third day after the 9th oxalic acid treatment. This one needs some rehabilitation. It's cold. We got a big storm. We're gonna get a what do they call it? A something river, atmospheric river. Gonna be coming in the next day or two. Just had a yellow jacket visit. Tried to get crash in, and actually caught that on BTV PTZ camera. So there's a little clip of that. Went right to the entry and tried to push in and kind of got pushed out. And then, of course, the PTZ switched over to the other hive. But I don't think it made it in. And they're just doing their thing. Usually the yellow jackets deal with the dead bees on the bottom board. But that one was trying to get in for a minute. Let's look at the bottom board. Lots of parchment paper torn up because I was feeding them some honeycomb. We got 76, not 67 dead mites on the bottom board. So that's 2 days. That's day 2 and 3. So it's getting better. Doesn't mean I'm not going to do another treatment. A little tiny bit of moisture right there. Let me smell it. I've got the hive sealed off really good with a double bubble, and of course the apimaye lid is like a, what about an R7 or something. And that double bubble, they claim all sorts of different R values with that, depending on where it is. And then I've got double bubble on the bottom board as well. So, and then the DE. I'm sure the DE adds a little bit of R value as well. So, got them sealed off pretty good. We'll check the other hive over there.